Dear student, I have already discussed about the basic concept of this chapter. Now I will solve some important problems of this chapter. So let's start. The problem 7 of 2. If A is to B equal to B is to C, prove that A square B square C square into 1 by AQ plus 1 by BQ plus 1 by CQ equal to AQ plus BQ plus CQ. So let's start our solution. Here given that A is to B equal to B is to C, since it's continued proportion, because here C is the third quantity of A and B, and B is the second quantity of A and C. So it's a continued proportion. So we can write A by B equal to B by C, this equal to B square equal to AC, or AC equal to B square. Now left hand side, A square B square C square into 1 by AQ plus 1 by BQ plus 1 by CQ. Now multiply A square B square C square by each term. So A square B square C square divided by AQ plus A square B square C square divided by BQ plus A square B square C square divided by CQ. Now cancel AQ upon A square, BQ upon B square, and CQ upon C square. So we can write B square C square divided by A plus A square C square divided by B plus B square C square divided by C. This equal to B square C square divided by A plus AC whole square divided by B plus A square B square divided by C. Now we put the value of B square equal to AC, or AC equal to B square. So B square equal to AC, here is AC into AC square divided by A plus AC this equal to B square. So B square squared by B plus A square into AC divided by C. Now A upon A cancel, B upon BQ cancel, and C upon CQ cancel. So we can write CQ plus B power 4 divided by B plus AQ, and CQ this equal to CQ plus B power 4 B upon B power 4 this equal to BQ plus AQ. So we can write AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal to right hand side, proved. Here the problem number 10. If x equal to 4ab divided by a plus b, then show that x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2, where a not equal to b. Let's start our solution. Given that x equal to 4ab divided by a plus b, then we can write x equal to 2a into 2b divided by a plus b. Now we can write as x divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. If we multiply 2a into 2b, then we remains 4ab. So we can write x divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. This is the equation number 1. Again we can write x divided by 2b equal to 2a divided by a plus b. If we multiply 2b and 2a, then it remains 4ab. So we can write x divided by 2b equal to 2a divided by a plus b, the equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we get x divided by 2a equal to 2b divided by a plus b. Now we multiply, now we apply the condition of componendo and dividendo. Here x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a equal to 2b plus a plus b divided by 2b minus a plus b. Here we applying this law of componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo, here the x is numerator and 2b is denominator. Here 2b is numerator and a plus b is denominator. So the law of componendo and dividendo is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator in both sides. So simplify this line 2b plus a plus b divided by 2b minus a minus b. So here 2b and 2a adding 3b plus a and 2b minus b, this is b minus a. So we can take this equation number 3. Now from equation 2 we get this ax divided by 2b equal to 2a divided by a plus b. Applying the previous process, component and dividendo, we have this x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2a plus b divided by 2a minus b, a plus b here. So 2a plus a plus b divided by a minus b. So we can get x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 3a plus b divided by a minus b. Here the equation number 4. Now adding equation 3 and 4 we get x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 3a plus b divided by b minus a and 3a plus b divided by a minus b. Now we take common minus, so a minus b plus 3b plus b divided by a minus b. Now taking LCM a minus b, so a minus b here minus of b plus 3b plus a plus 3a plus b, multiply by minus, we can get 3b minus a plus 3a plus b. So 3b minus 3b plus b, this equal to minus 2b, and 3a minus a this equal to plus 2a divided by a minus b. So we can write 2a minus 2b divided by a minus b, and taking common 2a minus b divided by a minus b, and then cancel a minus b upon a minus b, so equal to 2. So therefore x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2 should. Here the problem number 11. If x equal to cube root of m plus 1 plus cube root of m minus 1 divided by cube root of m plus 1 minus cube root of m minus 1, then prove that x cube minus 3m x square plus 3x minus m equal to 0. Let us start our solution. Given that x equal to cube root of m plus 1 plus cube root of m minus 1 divided by cube root of m plus 1 minus cube root of m minus 1. So we can write x divided by 1 equal to this. And now we applying the rules of componendo and dividendo. Here x plus 1, here numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator, this equal to numerator, here is numerator and plus, here is this is denominator plus denominator, here is numerator minus denominator. So applying the condition of componendo and dividendo. The rules is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator in both sides. Now we cancelled the same term and opposite sign. Here cube root of m minus 1 minus cube root of m minus 1 are cancelled, and the cube root of m plus 1 minus cube root of m plus 1 are cancelled. So we can write x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to, here two terms are same, cube root of m plus 1 plus cube root of m plus 1, so two terms are same. So we can write 2 cube root of m plus 1, and here is 2 is same term, so 2 of cube root of m minus 1. So 2 upon 2 is cancelled, so we can write x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to cube root of m plus 1 divided by cube root of m minus 1. Here we can write this equal to x plus 1 implies that x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to m plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 and m minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. So here is base is different and power is same. So we can write m plus 1 divided by m minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3. If we remove this power 1 by 3, now apply the both side of cube. So taking both side of cube, m plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole to the power cube equal to m plus 1 divided by m minus 1 1 by 3 whole to the power cube. So here the cube and cube is cancel. So x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole to the power cube equal to m plus 1 divided by m minus 1. Now we apply the law of a plus b whole cube. Here a plus b whole cube, x plus 1 whole cube, that means a cube, x cube plus 3a square b, that means 1, plus 3a b square, that means 1 square, 3x plus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to m plus 1 divided by m minus 1. Now again we apply the componendo, the rules of componendo and dividendo. Here the numerator, here the numerator plus denominator, here the denominator, here the denominator plus, here the numerator minus denominator. This term is denominator. So minus x cube, this is minus, so plus 3x square, this is minus, plus, so minus 3x, this is minus, so plus 1. This equal to m plus 1 plus m minus 1 divided by m plus 1 minus of m minus 1, that means minus m plus 1. Apply this numerator and denominator componendo dividendo. Here the numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator, the law of componendo and dividendo. Here the same term 3x square, here the same term 3x square and opposite sign, so this is cancelled, and minus 1 and plus 1 is cancelled. Here x cube minus x cube cancel, 3x minus 3x is cancelled. So we can write x cube plus x cube, that means 2x cube. Here 3x plus 3x plus that means plus 6x divided by 3x square plus 3x square, this is 6x square, 1 plus 1, this is 2. So this equal to, here 2m, m plus m is 2m, and 1 plus 1, this is 2. So 2m divided by 2. Cancel 2 and 2 and take the common 2, x cube plus 3x divided by 3x plus 1. Cancel 2 and 2, 2 upon 2. Here we can write x cube plus 3x divided by 3x square plus 1 equal to m. And then cross multiply this term, 3x square plus 1. Here m into 3x square plus 1. So multiply by m, 3mx square plus m. Now we can write x cube minus 3mx square plus 3x plus minus m equal to 0. Hence our proved. Here the problem number 12. If x equal to root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b divided by root over 2b plus 3b, 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b, then show that 3b x square minus 4ax plus 3b equal to 0. Now start our solution. Given that x equal to root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b divided by root over 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b. Now we can write x divided by 1, here 1, x divided by 1 equal to root over 3a plus 3b plus root over 2a minus 3b divided by root over 2a plus 3b minus root over 2a minus 3b. Now we can apply the componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo, here the numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Here the numerator here the numerator plus here the denominator, here the numerator minus of denominator, so minus of denominator. So we can write here here the two terms of same and opposite sign, root over 2a minus 3b and minus root over 2a minus 3b is cancelled, and here root over 2a plus 3b and minus root over 2a plus 3b is cancelled. So we can write x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to 2 into here the same term root over 2a plus 3b plus root over 2a plus 3b is same term. So 2 into root over 2a plus 3b divided by here the same term root over 2a minus 3b root over 2a minus 3b. So 2 into root over 2a minus 3b, 2 and 2 is cancelled. So we can write x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to root over 2a plus 3b divided by 2a minus 3b. Now if we remove this square term, so we squaring both sides of this equation, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square equal to square by squaring, so we can write 2a plus 3b divided by 2a minus 3b. Here the a plus b whole square, so x plus 1 using the a plus b whole square law, so x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 1, this equal to this. So now we multiply this term again by component or dividendo, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 minus of x square plus 2x minus 1. This is here the numerator, here the denominator. So numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator in both sides. So we have the same term 2x minus 2x and opposite sign cancel, and x square minus x square cancel, 1 minus 1 cancel. So we can write 2x square plus 2, here the x square 2 term of x square, so we can write 2x square, here 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2x square plus 2 divided by 2x plus 2x, this is 4x, so 2x square plus 2 divided by 4x. Now we take common 2, x square plus 1 divided by 4x equal to 2 3, so 2a divided by 3b, so x square plus 1 divided by 2x. Now we can write x square plus 1 divided by 2x equal to 2a divided by 3b. Now we cross multiply this term, x square plus 1 into 3b equal to 2x plus 2a. So multiply by 3b x square plus 1 into 3b plus that is 3b equal to 4ax. This is 2 and 2 multiply 4 and ax. Now we can write 3bx square minus 4x square 4ax plus 3b equal to 0. This is hence our proved should. Problem number 13. If a square b square divided by b square c square equal to a plus b whole square divided by b plus c whole square, then show that a, b, c are continued proportion. Now we solve this problem given that a square b square divided by b square c square equal to a plus b whole square divided by b plus c whole square. Now we can write a square b square divided by a plus b whole square equal to b square c square divided by b plus c whole square plus c square equal to a plus b whole square divided by b plus c whole square. This equal to a square b square divided by a plus b whole square. Just interchange of these two quantities by applying alternando, b square plus c square divided by b plus c whole square. And again we can write b plus a plus b whole square divided by b square plus c square equal to b plus c whole square divided by b square plus c square, applying by invertendo. That's interchange of these quantities in this ratio. Now we can write a plus b whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by a square plus b square. Here b plus c whole square, that means b square plus c square plus 2bc divided by b square plus c square. Now applying dividendo, we have b square plus c square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square equal to b square plus c square plus 2bc minus b square minus c square divided by b square plus c square. Now cancel a square b square and a square b square and cancel b square c square and c square. Then we can write 2ab divided by a square plus b square equal to 2bc divided by b square plus c square. So 2b, here this 2b and 2b is cancelled. So a by a square plus b square equal to c by b square plus c square. Now cross multiply, we have a into b square plus c square equal to c into b square plus c square. So a b square plus a c square equal to c a square plus c b square. So we can write a b square minus c b square equal to a c a square minus side sense the minus a c square. So we take common b square a minus c equal to we take common ac a minus c, cancel a minus c, so we can write b square equal to ac. Now we can write b square equal to ac, this equal to b into b equal to ac, here ac equal to b into b. So a by b and b by c. So a by b equal to b by c, that means a is to b equal to b is to c. So hence a, b, c are the continued proportion proved. Here the problem number 16. If a plus b minus c divided by a plus b equal to b plus c minus a divided by b plus c equal to c plus a minus b divided by c plus a, and a plus b plus c is not 0, then prove that a equal to b equal to c. Now we will I start our solution. Given that a plus b minus c divided by a plus b equal to b plus c minus a divided by b plus c equal to c plus a minus b divided by c plus a, and a plus b plus c not equal to 0. Now we applying the dividendo, a plus b minus c minus a minus b equal to b plus c minus a minus b minus c b plus c equal to c plus a minus b minus c minus a, that is dividendo. Numerator minus denominator divided by denominator. So cancel a minus a, b minus b, b minus a, c minus a, c, and c minus c, a minus a. So we can write minus c by a plus b, minus a by a plus b plus c, and minus b by c plus a. Cancel the both sides of minus. In each term we have c by a plus b, a by b plus c, and b by c plus a. And we can write by invertendo a plus b by c equal to b plus c by a equal to c plus a by b. Now we apply the rules of componendo. So numerator plus denominator divided by denominator. So a plus b plus a plus b plus a plus b plus c divided by c, b plus c plus a divided by a, and c plus a plus b divided by b. So simplify this line, a plus b plus c by c equal to a plus b plus c by a plus a plus b plus c by b. Now dividing a plus b plus c in each term, so we have 1 by c, 1 by a, 1 equal to 1 by b. And again we intertendo, we have c equal to a equal to b, that is a equal to b equal to c, where a plus b plus c is not 0 proved. Here the problem number 20. If p by q equal to a square divided by b square and a by b equal to root over a plus q divided by root over a minus q, then show that p plus q divided by a equal to p minus q divided by q. Now start our solution. Given that p by q equal to a square divided by b square, now take this 1 number equation, and a by b equal to root over a plus q root of divided by root over a minus q, taking the equation number 2. Now we have from equation 1 p by q equal to a square divided by b square. So we can write p by q equal to a by b whole square. So now putting the value of a by b, root over a plus p root over a plus p divided by root over a minus q. So from 2 we have this whole square, square root cancel, so a plus q divided by a minus q. Now we cross multiply this term, p into a minus q equal to q into a plus q. So multiply by p, pa minus pq equal to qa plus q square. So pa minus qa, that means side sense, so qa and side sense pq plus q square. So a we take common a, p minus q equal to we take common q, p plus q. So pq divided by q and pa, p plus a, p minus q divided by q equal to p plus q divided by a. So we can write p plus q divided by a equal to p minus q divided by q. This is our solution. So should